Hi guys, if you want to enhance or upscale any particular image, you don't have to spend hours on it. I'll tell you a simple trick. So let me begin with an example. This is one image and you can see it's very pixelate image. It's a blurry image. So I'm gonna change it, enhance it and upscale it, and it will look sharper and nice within few seconds. So for this, simply you need to open Google Chrome and then you need to type here Cutout Pro Image Enhancer. So simply click on this and search it and you will find this Cutout Pro and this link. So simply click on this. After clicking here, they are asking you to upload an image. So simply click on this upload image and then you can choose the image wherever it is. And if you don't want to upload from a certain place and you have it's on your desktop like I have, you can simply drag and drop here. So both ways you can use. So I'm drag and dropping here and wait for the magic to happen. And now you can see that the image is enhanced in seconds. Now I am downloading it on my desktop as test image enhance. Now let me minimize it and open this enhanced image and see how good and nice it looks now. I'll show you the previous one. You see how pixelated it is and this enhanced image. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with others and press the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye.